Introducing the Mini for Pro, DJI's latest addition to the Mini drone series, offering significant enhancements. But what happens when we compare drones from two different segments to find the best fit for you? In this video, we're pitting the DJI Mini for Pro against the DJI Air 3 to provide that answer. In terms of its physical appearance, the drone has a plastic frame with a light gray finish. It incorporates air cooling vents behind the gimbals and on the rear to prevent overheating. However, it's important to note that it lacks weather protection due to its open design. The DJI Mini for Pro weighs in at 249 grams, aligning with its Mini series predecessors. This weight classification allows for fewer flight restrictions in many regions globally. On the Mini for Pro's underside, you'll find a central LED light and two exclusive additions, vision positioning sensors and obstacle avoidance cameras. The Air 3 is equipped with sensors around its body to detect obstacles, and in terms of weight, it's noticeably heavier than the Air 2S, weighing 720 grams due to the inclusion of new 4000 to 141 mAh batteries. In contrast, the Air 3 features a front dual camera setup and shares its design with the Mavic 3. It retains its compact and foldable design, making it travel-friendly, and maintains its distinctive frog-like appearance. Notably, the drone's arms are slimmer, and the black camera module snugly fits over the gimbal, enabling effective low-angle shots. The DJI Mini for Pro, capable of shooting 4,000 videos at 60 fps HDR and slow motion 4K footage, and at up to 100 fps. The video recording benefits from an upgraded notch production algorithm, particularly in night shots mode. Additionally, the drone offers a 2x digital zoom, adequate for sharing content on platforms like Instagram. What's more, the camera can be physically rotated, eliminating the need for additional cropping. DJI Mini for Pro boasts a 48-megapixel Type 1 1.3-inch CMOS sensor and a new image processing. The sensor remains unchanged from the DJI Mini 3 Pro, but introduces dual native ISO technology. Paired with this sensor is a 24mm equivalent f/1.7 lens, providing an 82-degree field of view. On the other hand, the Air 3 features two powerful cameras, a wide-angle camera and a 3x medium telephoto camera, both capable of taking 48-megapixel photos and recording 4K 60 fps HDR videos. While these cameras offer impressive capabilities, the real excitement lies in the finer details. The wide-angle camera boasts a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor equivalent to a 24mm format and an f/1.7 aperture. In contrast, the 3x medium telephoto camera utilizes a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, providing a 70mm format equivalent and featuring an f/2.8 aperture. Moreover, the drone offers captivating video modes, including focus tracking, master shots, night mode, and hyperlapse. In slow motion mode, you can achieve 4K UHD at 100 fps and FHD at 200 fps, opening up exciting possibilities for creative video projects. In terms of color profiles, the Mini for Pro offers advanced options like 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG, giving users more control over color editing when it comes to obstacle detection. The Mini for Pro's omnidirectional system and APAS 5.0 are top-notch, providing advanced obstacle avoidance. Additionally, the Mini for Pro offers an impressive maximum range of up to 20 kilometers when using DJI 4, allowing users to explore longer distances. DJI Mini for Pro introduces obstacle sensing in all directions to the Mini series, making it the first ultralight DJI drone with this feature. This enhances flight safety as it can detect obstacles from every angle. If you prioritize safety and affordability, we highly recommend considering the Air 3. This drone offers a wide range of features that provide a premium flying experience without straining your budget. Starting at just $1,099, the Air 3 stands out as an impressive and versatile drone option. DJI has made significant improvements and introduced new features to the Air 3 drone, making it more versatile and safer for flying. These upgrades include two cameras, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and O4 video transmission. One standout feature of the Air 3 is its ability to capture 2.7K vertical videos with a 9:16 perfect for sharing on social media platforms like Instagram Reels and TikTok without the need for cropping. Additionally, the drone offers impressive video modes such as focus tracking, master shots, night mode, and hyperlapse. While the Mini 4 Pro comes at a price tag of $759 for the drone with a battery and working controller, it's important to note that it remains unmatched in its price range. The Mini 4 is a nearly flawless device that pushes the boundaries of drone technology, especially considering the absence of weight restrictions to make an informed decision. Consider your intended use for the drone. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. And as always, thanks for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest tech news.